One of the finest waterfront estates in Austin, Texas, Villa del Lago is a uniquely magnificent estate situated on 21 hillside acres of prime lakefront property, boasting unobstructed and panoramic elevated views of Lake Travis. Meticulously designed and professionally landscaped lawns and gardens feature native plants, trees, shrubs, in addition to extensive seasonal plantings. The main house is constructed on a graded concrete slab, supported by a commercial building red iron superstructure and concrete subfloors. The roof is topped with clay tiles, Italian-themed copper domes, and skylight features. The main house of 15,000 square feet features 6 bedrooms, 13 baths, 5 fireplaces, formal living room, formal dining, media room, home theater, library, wine cellar, and massage room. The decor of the home was professionally selected with quality and comfort in mind. Gourmet chef's kitchen features Viking appliances, large center island with breakfast bar seating, separate bar island, and high-grade granite and marble counters. Extensive entertainment bar, game room, sitting, and piano area. A large private master suite features steam showers, his and her closets and bathrooms, garden jacuzzi tub, and walk-out bedroom balcony. A negative edge pool comes complete with an outdoor bath, slide, hot tub, fire pit, built-in grill, smoker, and mini fridges. Elegant and striking grotto with multiple dramatic cascading waterfalls is carved into the canyon hillside. Close to the main house, a dramatic pavilion with fireplace, 2 bars, and 2 baths sits exclusively on a hillside hollow with captivating, breathtaking views of the lake and big Texas sunsets. The estate also includes a private custom boathouse, slips for 2 boats, and jet skis. The home is listed for sale for $35 million, making it one of the most expensive homes in Texas.